SmarterQueue helps you plan, create, and automate your social media so you can stay consistent, grow faster, and focus on what matters most. Keep your content organized and flowing with categories and your posting plan. Use categories to group posts by type, like tips, promos, or campaigns, and automate a balanced mix across the week. Set seasonal categories to publish during specific dates and track which types perform best over time. The posting plan tells SmarterQueue exactly what to publish, where, and when automatically. Add time slots to shape your ideal schedule, and we'll keep your content flowing for weeks or even months. It's the perfect set and forget system. No need to schedule every post manually. The post editor lets you create a single post for all your social profiles at once, or just choose the ones you want. By default, the same caption and media will be shared everywhere, and you can preview how it looks for each platform. Switch on Customize per profile to tailor each version. For Instagram, pick a tall image from your media library, Canva, or device. Then switch it to a story with one click. The preview will automatically update to ensure you get the perfect story. On Facebook, drop in a snippet. Great for saving frequently used content and adding links and hashtags in one click. Remove the image to see a full-length preview. Then open link settings to automatically apply UTM parameters for tracking, or shorten URLs with Bitly. Use the first comment feature to automatically publish extra context, hashtags, or links as the first comment when your post goes live, keeping captions clean and focused. Customize the text for each platform based on character limits or tone, like sticking to one hashtag for threads. Let the AI assistant help you write from scratch, or transform your existing draft with powerful rewriting tools. Choose your social platform, language, and tone, then fine-tune how many hashtags and emojis to include and how many results to generate. Create multiple rewrites as text variations to explore different angles or styles, and test what resonates with your audience. Then, add a few alternate images to create media variations. SmarterQueue automatically mixes and matches your captions and visuals, giving you multiple posts from one idea. Customize scheduling per profile and use your posting plan to unlock powerful automation. Use evergreen recycling to keep high-performing content working for you long-term. Set a recurring schedule to repeat posts on your chosen cycle, keeping reminders and campaigns running automatically without rescheduling each time. Manually choose one or more specific dates and times for precise publishing around launches, announcements, and deadlines, or post immediately for real-time updates and timely announcements. Your queue makes it easy to manage your content in real time. Filter by profile, category, or other options to focus on what matters. Drag posts to rearrange them and keep things in the right order. You can even shuffle your queue for a fresh mix. Switch between list view, week view, or Instagram grid to preview how your posts will appear. Grid view is perfect for curating a visually cohesive feed. Just drag and drop posts to plan the layout you want, exactly how you want it to look. It's an easy way to preview your upcoming content and make sure your profile always looks on brand. Finding and curating content is easy with Discover. You can import from social profiles, YouTube, RSS feeds, Google Alerts, and more, either one at a time or in bulk. Repurpose proven content from your own social profiles or import from others you follow, using it as a starting point to create your own engaging posts. Keeping your queue filled with fresh content is easy. Use the Chrome extension to import posts as you browse or set up auto-importers to pull from your favorite sources. Upload hundreds of posts at once with a CSV file, and for quick, repeatable imports, save trusted sources, like Feedly bookmarks or social profile you follow, so you're always ready with the latest and best content. You can track performance right from your post library, sorting by engagement to find your top content. Review detailed metrics like impressions, clicks, and shares for each post. See how evergreen recycling boosted results across publish cycles and how each variation performed to support your A/B testing. And when you want to look beyond individual posts, Analyze Overview gives you a clear view of how your SmarterQueue publishing is performing. With one profile selected, you can quickly sense-check overall performance, see key totals, and view best times to post based on your SmarterQueue published results, so you can fine-tune your posting plan. Engagement adds the detail behind the headline numbers, showing how momentum is trending and breaking activity down into likes, comments, and shares. And when you want a broader view, you can compare multiple profiles to see which channels are performing strongest side by side, without pulling reports from each platform separately. Category performance then makes it obvious which content pillars are driving the best results, so you know what to prioritize and what to post more often. When you're ready to share progress, you can export a polished PDF report right from Overview. And when you want the bigger picture beyond SmarterQueue published posts, Profile Analytics pulls in platform data for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and Pinterest. It gives you a clearer view of overall profile health, using your existing post history to spot trends in performance and engagement, plus best times to post based on that wider dataset. On eligible plans, you can also analyze public Facebook pages you don't own to benchmark competitors, spot patterns, and take inspiration from what's working in your space. Managing multiple brands or clients? With Workspaces, you can separate each business, project, or team, keeping content organized and access clear. Invite collaborators, clients, or team members, and assign custom roles with different permissions, so everyone has access to exactly what they need and nothing they don't. SmarterQueue makes it easy to stay in control while working together seamlessly. With comments, your team can discuss posts right inside SmarterQueue. Leave feedback, ask questions, or suggest edits, all connected to the post itself, so nothing gets lost in emails or chats. However you work, SmarterQueue gives you the tools to stay consistent, collaborate smarter, and grow faster.